Good morning, sir. My name is Jesus Lopez from Bismarck E3 Charlie. Question number 1. How would you respond to an philosophically dispute the issue posed by the most prominent atheist of the day, Mr. Richard Dawkins? Who created God? Explain your answer and support it with evidence. Richard Dawkins questions who created God is a common challenge. However, it's based on the assumption that everything must have a creator. But what if we think of God differently? Consider that the water evaporates, forms clouds, rains drops, and flows back into rivers and oceans. Then where did the water begins? It's a continuous cycle with the single point of creation. And then its similarity, the concept of God can be understood as a fundamental aspect of reality that always exists rather than something that was created by something else. Then question number 2. How will you demonstrate and explain the existence of infinite intelligence minds using modern science discovery on DNA? Explain it clearly with supporting evidence. Then this mirror shows that carefully designed needs intelligence. DNA is like a super complex mirror for life itself. Then rookie makers accidentally create DNA, but just like a raw materials don't make a perfect mirror. But science shows complex always comes from intelligence. Then mirrors these intelligent makers. DNA is a super complex code also points to an intelligent maker far beyond humans, which many call God.